Alright, I made it into Five Below. But look right here, you guys. They have the little tumblers. Oh man, you know what would be really cute? Oh, it does. Okay, okay. I was like, it would be so adorable if it had bunny ears. But we got a little bunny right here. It looks like a lantern. Let me see this one. This is a chick one. Okay, that is stinking cute. The chick. Furry bunny headbands 3. Character headbands are 4. So the stitch will be 4. And then you have a Peeps one. Looks like these are 6. You get 3 in here. Oh, they have a handbag. Fashion bags. Green, quilted, blue, and white. And then down here we have strawberry, banana, like a lemon or orange. Ooh, there's a penguin. Let me see. Plants. And look at this animal one. Adorable. A little penguino man. Oh, it's like a little shadow box. Fill, stack, and display your animal. Oh my gosh. The penguin, he's going to the mountains. Why is he going to the mountains? Yeah, that was cute. The pig and the lamb.
He's going to the mountains.
Hey. We all are like that. We're like, we need to be somewhere else, not where we need to be. We all feel like that. Yeah, so here's the pig one. That's cute. Oh, we have a juice box one, if I can get it. And a lunch box. Oh my gosh. I remember growing up as a kid, we had these lunch boxes. Mine was Care Bears. I had a Care Bear thermos. Yeah, juice box. I felt like lunch back then was so much better. Like even as a kid, like when your parents were packing your lunch or whatever, I felt like it tasted better compared to now. Which is like kind of weird, even if you're making your own lunch.
There's less ingredients in everything.
But yes, these are cute. These are a Easter basket ideas. And this right here, I used to play all the time with my sisters. The Velcro one. This is $4 though. But I don't... Sometimes the Velcro is not strong. Yeah. They're kind of a little different now.
Some are cheap. And then those back straps will break if you leave them out in the sun too long.
LED badminton. What? I was the champion at badminton and PE. That was like my only favorite part of PE. PE and when we do golfing, because that was easy. Oh, as a kid, $1 for the gold eggs. And you have your stacking eggs. These are 24-inch stackable eggs with the bunny on top. So I've seen a lot of people DIY that and they make polka dots on them. Okay, we have more candy. I did do a walkthrough already with all these cute baskets, Easter bunny ones. Those are 5. The Stitch Pail is 3, so I will link those videos down below. Jelly beans, Sour Patch Nerds, a Dunkin', Mike and Ike's. I haven't tried the Mike and Ike jelly beans. I wonder if they're good, but I'm really interested in trying the refreshers at the Dunkin'. These baskets are really, really adorable. They're 5. I like the watermelon one, but I like how they have a disco bunny now. A little chocolate one. Oh yeah, these are the ones with the feet. I didn't see these at Walmart. A little flower one. You get 100 eggs in here for 5. And these are all 5. Oh, and if you want a mystery Squishmallow, they do have them. The Squishmallow mystery pack. And they have the gummy bear. So I haven't seen the gummy bear in Walmart. Yeah, I've seen the clear egg one, but not the gummy bear one. The moss glitter bunny 3, and the gold one is 5. Gummy bears, jelly beans, mini eggs, these peeling tulips. And they have the carrot, edible grass. They do make a mess, so be careful on that. And they do get sticky, so be on the lookout. We have fried chicken, sweet corn, and gravy. Who has tried these? I'm chicken. These are vegan, no animal gelatin. Okay, those are cool. And that's, you know what, all my life as a kid, I've never tried these wax bottles. So do you drink them or do you eat it?
Yeah, you drink them.
You drink them? Okay.
Yeah. When you chew them, it's not that great.
These are just gumball machines. Yeah, I can't believe in my whole life I never bought this as a kid. It's a dough kit. You could paint your own eggs. These are two. These aren't confetti eggs. These would be cool if they were confetti eggs. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Spray chalk. Chalk is 3. And then all, see, ring pops. Little butterfly. Oh my gosh, the butterfly. The monarch butterflies. Oh my gosh. And the bubble play set. This one's 7. This looks like a lot of fun. I don't know what these are. This, I don't know. We have some more Squishmallows. These, Fugglers. Little bitty Bunko Care Bears. Oh, they have bunny ears. Yeah, that's funny. Toy Story, Powerpuff Girls, and this, I don't know what it is. SpongeBob, everything. Water bottle, a cute chick one. Look at all this. Pajama Party, Western. Oh, that's cute. I like Western theme just because I live in the West. Oh, it's the ultimate bundle. That's funny.
You get 1 mystery plush, 2 collectible figures, 1 sticker sheet, 1 poster, and 2 bonus items. What do you think the bonus items are? Paper?
Paper, yeah. These are cute. Little mystery squishy. There's a pulling Stitch car. The little sticky one. More water bottles. Fun characters. Play-Doh. Oh, look at that mini hippo one. Little dentist kit. Here's more lemonade slime. Slime containers. Oh my gosh. We have Bluey's, strawberry shortcake. Patrick, look, you get jellyfish jam. That's kind of funny. And you get a little catcher and little gems. Okay, that could be Easter. That's cute. Not gonna lie, if I was a kid, I would eat that up. What is this one? Dunkagoo. These are 4. Just slime and play food. Here's like a cosmic brownie one. Well, it looks like a cosmic brownie. We have the ducks in here. The squishy duck. Here's this one. What is this one? A dazzle. Oh, you could dazzle a duck. Okay, I don't know what he is, but he's cute. Butterbear. No, Butterbear. Series one. These are cute. These are adorable. I've never seen these before. Kirby. South Park. Elementary physical ed. Cows. What?
Go cows. They're the South Park cows. Oh, here's the side. You can see. Oh, look at Butter's little outfit.
Oh my gosh, Butters. Butters is my man. That's my man. Can I scoot back? Okay. Steven Universe. Crayola has.
Remember when he was playing Hello Kitty Adventure Island?
Yeah.
That game didn't exist when he made that, but now the game is actually really
Hello
came
Kitty
out, like,
Island?
last year. Yeah.
Hello Kitty Island.
So they made his game, like Hello Kitty actually made his game.
Look at, they have Terrifier. I didn't know. So see, Five Below, everything you need for your Easter basket. I mean, why not? What are these? I've never seen these either. I am so nightmare critters. Oh gosh. Goofy. Oh, that's funny. Oh, they have flower one. What? Those are cute. So they have these in Ross too, but they have a larger one. I believe there's some mini Barney. Who doesn't want a Barney? These are all Barney. Jimbo.
I wish Barney had like a belch button. He needs one.
Lisa. It's funny. They have a squishy cake. I remember back in the day, my daughter used to collect these squishies, like the foam squishies, and we had a cake. They have the pickle. I wish these dough came in packaging because they're always so dirty. And the cheese. Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to end the video here because it is after school, so all the kids from the bus stop do come in Five Below, and it gets really crowded and noisy and balls are thrown everywhere. I did a video on these graphic tees. I'll also link that back at the end. I have like 2 Easter videos from Five Below, so make sure you check that out. Please give this video a thumbs up. It does help my video get found in this YouTube world. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.